Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Apple TV Plus on your Roku device, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream exclusive Apple content. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and navigate to the home screen using your remote. Step 2. Scroll to the streaming channels section and select search channels. Step 3. Type Apple TV into the search bar and select the Apple TV app from the results. Step 4. Click Add Channel to download and install the Apple TV app on your Roku. Step 5. Once installation is complete, open the Apple TV app from your Roku home screen. Step 6. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you don't have an Apple ID, create one first. Step 7. Navigate to the Apple TV Plus section within the app to access the subscription content. Step 8. If you don't have an Apple TV Plus subscription, sign up for a free trial or paid subscription. Start watching Apple original series, movies, and documentaries immediately on your Roku device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.